Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ceeceemua and today I'm gonna be doing like a everyday makeup look. Actually, it's more like everyday subjective to me. So let's get started. I'm gonna be doing my my eyebrows first. So I'm gonna be using Take a Brow pencil from Pound Shop. I really like that pencil actually. So anyways, let's get started. Okay, eyebrows are done, and now usually when I'm going out or for an everyday look, I don't do a lot of eyeshadow or whatever, but the little I do, still a bit glam. I'm going to be using the Velvet Rose palette from Revolution. First of all, I need to prime my eyelid. I'm gonna be using the cutcrease canvas. I'll be taking this MSQ brush and I'll be dipping into the shade here. That's not bad. Alright, I'll be going into the shade here. Alright, I'll be going into the shade here. I don't know if you can see it. I'll be combining the shade here, this shade here and here. Alright, this is done. Now I'm gonna do my eyeliner. So I normally use this every day, literally every day. So this is the Renaissance Fake Liner by Revolution. Okay guys, I've put on my lashes and everything, so I'm gonna be using this. Oh, sorry, I've missed it. It's the Revolution Pro Featherweight Primer. So I'm gonna apply that all over my face. Okay, I know I'm looking casket ready, but don't worry, it will come back. It will come back. Anyways, I'm gonna be using my Colourpop No Filter foundation. This is in the shade. This is in the shade Dark 175. And it's looking hella orange right now, but don't worry, trust the process. My chest is a different color entirely. Anyways, I'm gonna be using my elf concealer. This is the elf camo concealer. It's in the shade chestnut. I have a video of me testing out this concealer in case you guys are interested in seeing it. I'll put a link up in the cards. I'll be using my my Real Technique sponge. I'm sorry guys, if you guys see me looking this way, it's because my monitor is on the other side. So I'm using my TV as a monitor, so I keep on looking at it to see if I'm in focus, which I am most of the time, so I don't know why I keep looking. So I usually just apply a blotting powder. I'm using the Revolution Bacon Blot. This is peach, so I'm just gonna use that all over my face. Now I'm gonna bronze. Okay, I'm using the same Bacon Blot powder as well. I'm using the shade dark deep or deep dark, so I'm gonna use this to bronze my face. I'm gonna take my MSQ brush, then I apply the same bronzer on my nose. This looks glam without looking overly too much. You guys see what I mean? I'm gonna be using the Revolution Boulders Brass, and I'm gonna be using the shade here. I think this shade, either one of these two actually. I use that to highlight. Okay, maybe this one. Yeah, that's better. I'll be using my Colourpop lippie pencil. This is called, I think this is peach. Anyways, for my everyday look, I always prefer to have like a nude lipstick. This is the shade Vindicator from Revolution Pro. I'm gonna be using Fenty. I don't use this every day, let's not lie, but any gloss will do, to be honest. That is pretty much it. Okay, so this is my everyday makeup routine. It's not special, it's not fake, but at least it gets me out of the door very quickly, you know. Okay, what I did to my lower lash line, I applied this to my lower lash line, then I used this to blend it out. I'm loving the way it's looking, you know, very nice and subtle. Okay, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like my content, please subscribe and like and comment. Also remember, keep living and keep doing you.